Great conference so far. I would like to talk to you today about why people sign up for your workshops and why companies buy your lectures. But first, let me ask you a question. What is the difference between a bridal bouquet of flowers and a regular bouquet of flowers? If I sell to you a regular bouquet of flowers, I can charge let's say, $100. But if I call it a bridal bouquet, flowers for the wedding, I can charge $300 to $500, 3 to 5 times more. Now, those are the same flowers. What's the difference? The need. Because when you buy flowers for the wedding, you don't actually buy flowers, you buy the winning image of a $1 million feeling for a bride. You buy the winning image of 10 years from now, the bride and groom will sit with the kids and look at the photos album and say, oh, look how beautiful mommy was. And 30 years from now, they will say, oh, with their grandkids, look how beautiful grandmother was. This is why you buy flowers for the wedding. This is why I can charge more. Now, the principle in marketing here, it's called sell the problem before the solution. Because you don't actually buy the flowers, you buy the need. So if we are, as a lecturer and speakers, I remember when people asked me about my lectures, I always thought that I need to talk about the solution, about the content, about the information. And always, I am 47 years old, and I started when I was 23 years old, my speaking career professionally. And I remember I used to meet HR managers and OD partners and learning managers and CEO and CFO. They asked me about the lecture, so I talked about the information, about the syllabus, about the content. Boy, was I wrong. I thought this is what makes a difference. And then a few years later, and there was a lot of lecturer, former lecturer, more experienced than me, then told me, you need to create value for companies, for organization. We talked about it in this conference as well. And I thought to myself, what does it mean to make value, to create value? And I thought value means content. And then I did a survey a few years ago. I had 20,000 people in my mailing list, and I asked them, why do you buy my lectures? Why companies buy my lectures? And then I got 6 reasons, which amazed me. And I'm going to reveal you the 6 reasons because it was a real game changer for me as well. So, reason number 6, why people buy your lectures is meeting friends and colleagues. People come to conferences, to events, to meet colleagues. Think how excited you were here when you met your colleagues. And also companies would like people to meet and be friends in the workplace. Fifth reason, the reason number 5, was refreshments and food. Now, when I heard it, it made me laugh as well because I thought, what, my clients are not starving. They come to my workshop to eat. But then I read an article, great article, but that if you offer refreshments and you say in your proposal that you're going to eat in your workshop or event, then you have 40% conversion rate. Okay, people come more. Because food is part of the experience as well. Now, reason number 4 was knowledge and tools. Obviously, people would like to pick your brain. They have technical problems. They have professional problems. They would like to hear what you think about it. Reason number 3 was pick your brain. Reason number 3 was networking. Now, the difference between networking and meeting friends is meeting people I already know. Networking means meeting new people. Elaborate, extend my network, my professional network, business network, personal network. And also companies would like their employees as well to network with one another, for the partners to get together, to have brainstorming, to have mastermind, etc. Reason number 2 was breaking routine. People buy lectures to break routine. Think about it, most people, not you guys, but most people, this is what their day looks like. Yeah, every day looks alike. You get up in the morning, you go in the traffic jam to your work, you spend many hours in the office, you go back in the same traffic jam to home, and suddenly 2 weeks from now you have a gig, you have a workshop, you have the company sends you to a seminar in this hotel, maybe even abroad. It's even more exciting. So people go to places and companies buy for their employees lectures and workshops to break routine. Now, reason number 1 was fun. Reason number 1 was fun. Because people actually told me, managers told me, would like to have fun, would like our employees to have fun. Now, let me ask you a question. Once I realized those 6 reasons, did it change the way I lecture? Of course, because I added more jokes, I added more stories, I added more examples, I added more simulations because people would like to practice. It's also part of the fun, relevant simulations. I focus on the setup of the event, not just what I'm going to say, what are just the content or the syllabus, but the event itself. Because value is not just the content. Value is all the 6 reasons. And let me ask you another question. Did you think it changed the way I market my lectures and workshops and speaks? Of course, because I started writing in my marketing writing. You should come to my events. You will meet beautiful people. You will have referrals. Yes, you will do networking. There will be food, lots of food, refreshments. You will have lots of fun. Okay, it even did change the way I write price quotes to companies, okay, to corporation. I started focusing on the fun and the experience and the networking of the employees, not just the content. So my game changer after this research I did, and this is what I hope you will take from this lecture, is your client don't want just to pick your brain. Okay, our clients, they want to have great time with us. We would like to enjoy your activity. So if those are the needs, 6 needs, hopefully you took a picture. So if you would like to understand the needs, then you can sell more lectures, you can sell more speaking gigs, and you can charge more. So I was Dr. Yaniv Zaid, and if you would like to talk to me about those 6 reasons, how can you implement them in your business and sell more and charge more, please come and see me after. I'm here today, I'm here tomorrow. You can scan my link tree, and you can check my website, drpersuasion.com. Thank you very much for your time. Enjoy the rest of the conference.